everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we're talking about Durban Gen. It's actually season 1 finale. Most characters will be leaving the show. It's already started with Ubabu Dlamini. Ngobo is also leaving. Babu Kumede is also leaving following his wife Macele, who passed away a few months ago. On a previous episode, Zandile revealed a secret that will lead to some characters losing their lives. Zandile told Tabo that Mvelo is not his biological child. I don't know guys why he was so angry, because he knew long time ago that he was not Mvelo's father. Angazi drama sekuyani ngoba uyazi futhi wazi kudala ukuthi akabatholi abantwana. On today's TSS, we saw him pointing a gun to a wrong person, Kelvin. Yes, Kelvin guys had a child with Precious, but Precious aborted his child. I assume he will shoot him and he will later realize that he was never a culprit and he will kill his own brother Sbusiso. I'm not sure guys what he will do with the Precious, but I've heard that she's also leaving Durban Gen. October TS has revealed the following information. On the 5th of October 2021, Sbusiso's will has a shocking revelation for both Agatha and Mbali. On Wednesday, the 6th of October 2021, post Sbusiso's surprising will led to extreme tension between Mrs. Dlamini and Mbali. So guys, I assume it's the end of the road for Sbusiso. Mbali will now go back to Lindelani. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion.